Hey Jennies, welcome back to my channel. It's JoseEunjung here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Jeffree Star's Bloodlust collection. My package arrived yesterday on the 2nd of March, and it is the 3rd, so I'm opening up the next day. And I have many friends out there, you know who you are, who are like, you should bring the package over, unbox it here, yada. I'm like, nope. Wait for my channel. And they were like, oh, we'll just open it for you and then we'll just like tape it up for you. I'm like, first thing first, we have the mirror. Can I get this? I just ripped the soda. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what the mirror packaging looks like. I believe the mirror was $30. I don't remember. And for $30 freaking dollars, I'd oh my god, I feel like Jeffree Star needs to like rethink how to like box his crap, because I do not want to damage the box that they come with in the packaging, and it's unavoidable. You'll just have to tear up your box. But here we go. You guys can see first. Is she cute? Is she pretty? Let me know. Oh, she is. Look at her. See my whole face. Oh. This is what she looks like. And this is like a normal. This is a normal Jeffree Star mirror that I have. Okay. And side by side, you can tell which one's bigger. You can see your reflection on this other one too. Oh my Lanta. Yep, you can see my entire face with this one. And this one you can somewhat see my entire face, but it's just too small. This one I'll take in my bag, and this one I'll from now on be using on here. And if you're wondering what I'm using on my face, I'm just using the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Foundation, Jeffree Star Concealer in the shade C13 or C14, one of those two. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Queen Bitch Mini Lipsticks. The little lipsticks, think that's what they're called. The Mini Velour Liquid Lipsticks. This includes the shades Royal Armor, I'm Vulgar, I'm Royalty, Scorpio, Virginity, Low Pony, Clout, Berries on Ice. So let's open her up. So there's like only 8 shades. They're pretty. I'm gonna swatch them in a bit, okay? So let's swatch them. Okay, so we have Royal Armor, I'm Vulgar, I'm Royalty, Scorpio, Virginity. Oh, it's Blow Pony, not Glow Pony. It's Blow Pony, not Glow Pony. Pony, Clout, and Berries on Ice. So much for not coming open, and it's all like messed up. I promise you I did not open this till just now. It just came upside down, and it was like, here we go. The Bloodlust Armor palette. This is cute. how this feels. It feels so nice. Oh, it's so adorable. Okay, so let's open her up. This is what she looks like. Okay, so these are all the shades, you guys. And I'm gonna swap it. So the first one we're gonna go with is this white one right here. It's called Your Majesty. It's right here. Remember Your Majesty. Feels so nice. That's how it's swatched. Next one is Take the Crown. We're gonna do Defiant. Let's Defiant. Beauty Sleep. Wet Jewel. Oh, looks pretty. Royal Pain is next. And let's swipe it. So this is what the first two rows look like. You can see, you guys. So next we have Dungeon, Scan the Water, Sworn Enemy, Pink Magic, Bleeding Heart, and we also have, what the fuck is this? Executioner. And Executioner seems to be like a very glittery shimmer. You can see, I don't know if you can see a little glitterness. Some pink glitter in there. We have High King, Vivid Wood, Monarchy, and Blood Queen. Then the last two shades we have are Vile Serpent, and Betrayal are the last two shades. So let's swap those. This is Dungeon. Oh, it's like a very dark brownish purple. Next you have Scandal Water. I don't know if I'm doing this right or not, but whatever. You can see where my fingerprints are, right? Sworn Enemy. Pink Magic. Oh, looks nice. I like that one. Bleeding Heart. Oh, that one looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can see that one, but that one looks, oh my land. That one I can say, oh my Lanta. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look at that red. That is nice. Like, oh my land. Like, that's freaking beautiful. And now we're gonna go with Executioner. Look at all the glitterness. Look at that. You can see it's like, oh, I fucking love that. So cute. Then we're gonna go with High King. Vivid Mood. Then we're gonna go with Vivid Mood. chalky. Oh man, that kind of blends my skin. Hard to see. Blood Queen. Oh, this thing is patchy. Vow Serpent. Hold on, you guys. Now we're at the last row, so it's just 2 more shades. There's Vow Serpent right there. And Betrayal. This is what they look like. So Betrayal, Vow Serpent, Blood Queen, Monarchy, Vivid Mood, and High King. We have High King, Vivid Mood, Monarchy, Blood Queen, Vow Serpent, and Betrayal. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use my finger really quick. So I want the glitter. I want to go with Wet Jewel right here. Just gonna tap it on my lids. That's very pretty. And that's my review on this entire little palette. Will I be using this? No. Maybe just for today for work. And that'll be it. I'm going to go somewhere up on the shelf over there. Somewhere up there, and then, you know, it could sit and look pretty for the rest of its life. And then this was included. A great little photo card of Jeffree Star looking gorgeous as always. Fucking love her. Okay, guys. And then last before we go, I'm just going to go ahead and apply lipstick onto my lips. Which one, I do not know yet. Let's see. So I'm gonna go with the eyelids. Maybe this one. I'm gonna go with Clout. Okay, I'm gonna put that on my lips. But first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lips. I can find my primer. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lips with the Lock On Lip Primer by e.l.f. You have to wait 30 seconds, you guys, because what the instructions say. I'm gonna go ahead and use a clear lip liner just to go on the lips. I'm going to use an e.l.f. lip liner, clear lip liner. I'm going to go ahead and use this shade. This one's called Clout. Looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look with. Should I put a blush? I don't think I even want blush. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back, you guys, okay? I was gonna say the rest of my face done, but I'm like, no. I kind of want to go with the light shade and just, I'm gonna go with the Take the Crown, with the shade Take the Crown right here, and apply this on my cheekbones. And use it as a highlighter, you know? Like that. We are done. Let me just go ahead and use a brush to blend this out slightly. Okay guys, that is it. That is my complete review on the Bloodlust collection. I am just adding my setting spray into my skin, and I used the Milani Make It Last matte. And that's about it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Also, remember, I still have that alien palette that I want to give away that I got from my last video. And I'm going to add a link until one of my last videos that I uploaded about the mystery box. And if I do get 100 subscribers, I will definitely give that palette away because I do not want it. I already own one. I don't need another. And just make sure to comment, subscribe, you guys, and help me get 200 subscribers, and I'll do that giveaway. So if you like anything on here, leave me a comment. What did you get from the Bloodlust collection? Did you get that highlighter that he came out with? If so, let's trade. I'll trade you the palette for it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.